Hey guys, this is Wilbur and this is my screencast. One of the main things that we did for our text image project was the word cloud image. And what the word cloud image is that we would find a picture and insert text in it and put it on an overall background image, which defines our theme. And for my theme, it was basketball. And as you can see here, when we go to create from this website of Tagxedo, we can find different shapes that we want to insert as our word cloud. But the problem is there's a limited supply of images such as airplane, banana, a bus, but I can't find anything such as a basketball player or anything related to my theme. So what we would do is add an image. And if we go to Google and we Google something we want, like for me I wanted the NBA logo, so from the NBA logo we would find an image that we want, and the image I chose is this one where it's a basketball player crossing over, and you'll just easily save the image to the desktop, and then after you save it to the desktop you would be able to edit your own shape. Now when you edit your own shape, you go to add image and you would just place this picture into Tagxedo.com and it'll let you edit your own shape. And you can see you could have your shape without the text, or you could invert it where the white area includes the text, and you would just click accept. And after you click accept, it'll load, and then as you can see there's now the picture of the basketball player with the text within. Now you just easily save it back to your desktop, give it a name, word cloud, and then the image will successfully save, and just click no thank you. And now when you go to your desktop you can see the word cloud image. Now for the word cloud image, you would just open this image in your Photoshop and easily crop the borders out so that you don't get this border in anymore. And after the border you could use the erase tool to get rid of this section. And what I did was use this basketball player without the border and without this small section which used to be the NBA logo. And then in conclusion I would use the magic wand tool, make sure not to use continuous, and then click any of the colors in the middle, and then it would give me a perfect shape. And I would just cut this shape out and post it into a background image that I wanted. And the background image would be able to have this logo inside, and that would complete your word cloud image. The main thing was that people weren't able to find what they wanted in their photos, so as a result they might have changed their theme or compromise with another shape. But as you can see, you can add any image that you want and it'll be able to be edited the way you liked. So hope that helps, and in the future if you ever want to create another word cloud image you could find your own shape instead of having to use one that's pre-made, and hopefully you'll create something you like. That's all.